Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best doorbell cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Orbital Wireless Wi-Fi Video Doorbell Camera. This model features two-way audio, AI motion detection, and night vision, making it a solid all-around choice for monitoring your property. Its 1080p video resolution ensures decent clarity, while AI-powered motion detection minimizes false alerts by distinguishing between people, pets, and other movements. Additionally, the IP65 weather-resistant design makes it suitable for outdoor use, even in challenging environments. In terms of design, the Orbital doorbell camera has a compact and modern look with a sleek black finish. The device is lightweight and easy to install, whether you choose to mount it using screws or adhesive tape. Its 5,200 mAh battery provides reliable performance, though it may require recharging more frequently than premium models. While the Orbital performs well in standard conditions, its limited 17-foot night vision range and reliance on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi may be drawbacks for some users. The cloud storage option is convenient, but it comes at an additional cost. Overall, this camera is best suited for budget-conscious buyers looking for a straightforward solution for basic home security needs. At number 4, we have the Terra Smart Video Doorbell Camera. This model offers solid functionality for its price, including AI-powered human detection, instant motion alerts, and superior night vision. The two-way audio feature allows you to communicate effectively with visitors, while the included chime adds convenience for indoor notifications. The camera's ability to share access with family members is a thoughtful addition for collaborative home security. The design of the Terra doorbell is straightforward with a compact footprint and durable brown finish. It's lightweight and easy to install, though its 2600 mAh battery may require more frequent recharging. The camera supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which limits connection options but ensures stable performance within its range. Night vision is a strong point, providing clear visibility even in low light conditions. While the Terra delivers decent performance for its price, it falls short in resolution with 720p video quality, making finer details harder to discern. Additionally, cloud storage requires a paid subscription, which may not appeal to all users. This product is ideal for those looking for a basic yet reliable doorbell camera with AI detection and night vision at an affordable price. At number 3, we have the Gugri 1080p video doorbell camera, which is the most affordable option on our list at just $20.65. This camera packs impressive features for its price, including AI-powered human detection, instant motion notifications, and IR night vision for clear video in low-light conditions. It also comes with an indoor chime, providing easy alerts for visitors without relying solely on your smartphone. The Gugri doorbell camera has a simple and lightweight design, making installation quick and hassle-free. Despite its low price, it offers solid performance with 1080p resolution, delivering clear and detailed footage. Its battery-powered operation provides flexibility in placement, and the IP65 water resistance ensures durability for outdoor use. On the downside, the Gugri lacks advanced features like wide viewing angles or full-color night vision, and its optional cloud storage requires a separate subscription. Additionally, it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which may limit connectivity options for some users. This camera is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who want basic security features without breaking the bank. Number 2 is the Ring Battery Doorbell 2024 release. Known for its exceptional build quality and advanced features, this doorbell offers 66% more vertical coverage with its head-to-toe video, ensuring you capture everything from people to packages. The live view and two-way talk features make interacting with visitors seamless, while motion detection and alerts keep you informed of activity at your door. It integrates seamlessly with Alexa, adding voice-controlled convenience to your home security setup. The Venetian bronze finish gives the Ring doorbell a premium look, and its build quality is sturdy and weather-resistant. The built-in rechargeable battery is easy to charge using the USB-C port, and the installation process is straightforward, making it accessible to most users. Its compatibility with Ring subscription service enhances its functionality with smart alerts for package detection and 24/7 recording. However, the Ring doorbell's reliance on a subscription for advanced features may be a drawback for those seeking a no-fee solution. Additionally, its price is not listed, which can make it harder to evaluate its value proposition. This camera is ideal for users who want a reliable, feature-rich option with excellent integration into smart home systems. Finally, at number 1, we have the TP-Link Tapo Smart Video Doorbell Camera Wireless D210. This premium model offers unparalleled value with its 2K resolution, full-color night vision, and built-in spotlights. With a 160-degree ultra-wide diagonal field of view, the camera captures comprehensive footage, ensuring no detail is missed. The Ring Call feature allows you to answer visitors directly via phone calls generated by the app, adding unmatched convenience to your security system. The design is sleek and modern, with a white finish that complements most home decor. Its robust build includes IP65 water resistance, making it resilient against weather conditions. The 6,400 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance, reducing the need for frequent recharges. One standout feature is the ability to store footage locally on a micro SD card, eliminating the need for monthly subscription fees, perfect for privacy-conscious buyers. The TP-Link Tapo delivers top-tier performance across the board, but its slightly higher price point may deter budget shoppers. However, for those willing to invest, this camera is the ultimate choice for comprehensive security, advanced AI detection, and subscription-free storage. It's an ideal solution for homeowners looking for the best technology on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.